Welcome to Best Picks Lab. The Best Mystic Tan Wake Up Tan is probably one of the most talked about self-tanning products on the market right now, promising a natural-looking glow that develops overnight, making it a convenient option for those who want to wake up bronzed without the hassle of a lengthy application process or the immediate commitment of a spray tan. This innovative formula aims to deliver a streak-free, buildable color that adapts to your skin tone, offering a customizable tan that looks like you've spent days soaking up the sun, all while you sleep. Number 5. Beauty by Earth Self Tanner, Medium. Get a beautiful, sun-kissed radiance without the sun. Our self-tanner provides a natural-looking glow that enhances your skin tone. Crafted with care using natural and organic ingredients, including soothing aloe vera and nourishing coconut oil. It's a formula you can feel good about. Experience a lotion that moisturizes your skin while delivering a flawless, streak-free tan. Enjoy a smooth application for a perfect finish every time. Proudly made in the USA, this self-tanner ensures quality and effectiveness. Achieve a gorgeous fake tan with confidence. This medium shade is ideal for achieving a natural-looking tan that complements your skin. It's your secret to a healthy-looking complexion. What we like? This one is made with natural and organic ingredients, including aloe vera and coconut. It's designed to be moisturizing for a smooth application. If you're looking for a tan that's gentle on your skin and made with wholesome ingredients, this is a great choice. What people say? This is a great product that gives a natural-looking tan. It is easy to apply and dries quickly. The tan lasts for several days and fades evenly. Number 4. Coco and Eve's Sunny Honey Medium Self-Tanner Foam. Achieve a beautiful, natural-looking tan with our fast-drying self-tanner. It's designed to give you a streak-free glow in no time. Enjoy the delightful tropical scent as you apply this lightweight mousse. It feels non-sticky and absorbs quickly for comfortable wear. Our advanced formula ensures a flawless, even tan every time. Say goodbye to streaks and hello to a perfect sunless glow. Getting that perfect tan has never been easier. This mousse dries fast, allowing you to get on with your day with confidence. Feel good about your tan. It's vegan, cruelty-free, and formulated to be gentle on your skin while delivering stunning results. This medium shade provides the ideal sun-kissed look for many. It's your perfect companion for achieving that healthy, radiant complexion. What we like? Experience a sun-kissed glow that dries quickly and feels lightweight. Its tropical scent adds a pleasant touch to your tanning routine. If you're in a hurry or dislike sticky residue, this is the perfect option for a fast and comfortable tan. What people say? The color is a beautiful, natural-looking tan. It dries quickly and doesn't feel sticky. The scent is light and pleasant, not overpowering. Number 3. Bondi Sand Self-Tanning Foam. Achieve a beautiful, natural-looking tan with ease. Our lightweight foam formula glides on smoothly for a flawless finish. Enriched with soothing aloe vera and hydrating coconut, this self-tanner nourishes your skin. It leaves your skin feeling soft and moisturized. Say goodbye to streaks and uneven patches. This foam is designed for a perfectly even application every time. Enjoy a comfortable tanning experience. Its lightweight texture dries quickly, so you can get on with your day. It's the perfect solution for a sun-kissed glow without the sun. Get ready to embrace your radiant skin. What we like? Achieve a beautiful, even tan with this lightweight foam. It's enriched with soothing aloe vera and hydrating coconut. If you desire a natural-looking, streak-free finish and appreciate the nourishing benefits of these ingredients, this is the one for you. What people say? The color is a beautiful bronze. It develops into a natural-looking tan. The scent is pleasant and not overpowering. Number 2. B.TAN Violet Self-Tanner Kit Dark Tanning Mousse. Get ready to experience a tan like never before. This bundle offers a luxurious dark tanning mousse for a beautiful bronzed glow. Achieve a perfect tan with ease using the included Mitt applicator. It ensures an even application for a natural-looking finish every time. Our 1-hour express formula allows you to develop a gorgeous tan in no time. Simply apply, wait an hour, and rinse for a stunning result. Enjoy a beautiful bronzing glow without any orange tones or the unpleasant smell of traditional self-tanners. It's the best way to get that sun-kissed look. We believe in beauty that's kind to you and the planet. This product is vegan, ensuring you can achieve a beautiful tan guilt-free. With 6.7 fluid ounces, you have plenty of product to achieve multiple flawless tans. Enjoy your beautiful glow for longer. What we like. Get a deep, bronze glow in just 1 hour with its express formula. The violet base ensures no unwanted orange tones, and it has no fake tan smell. If you want a rapid, dark tan without the typical drawbacks, this is your go-to. What people say. It is a good product for a natural glow. It is a good product for a natural glow. Number 1. Mystic Tan Self-Tanning Applicator Mitt. Achieve a flawless, natural-looking tan every time. This mitt ensures smooth and even application for a perfect glow. Its unique design helps you blend self-tanning products seamlessly. Say goodbye to streaks and hello to a beautiful, sun-kissed complexion. Maintain hygiene and extend its life with easy washing. This applicator is designed for repeated use, making it a sustainable choice. The material is soft to the touch, ensuring comfort during application. It glides smoothly over your skin without irritation. Unlock your best tan yet with this essential tool. It's the perfect companion for all your self-tanning needs. What we like. This accessory is designed for a flawless application every time. It ensures a streak-free tan and helps with even blending. If you struggle with applying self-tanner evenly or want to achieve professional results at home, this mitt is essential. What people say. This product is a game changer for my skin. It gives me a beautiful, natural-looking tan. I love how easy it is to apply and it dries quickly. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.